Alright, let's talk about stretching your dollar and getting the absolute best travel experience outside the USA. If you're like me, you want to see the world without draining your savings. So, where can you go that's affordable, fun, and unforgettable? First up, Southeast Asia. Countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and Indonesia are legendary for cheap eats, cozy hostels, and jaw-dropping sights. You can grab a delicious street meal for $2, crash in a decent guest house for less than $20 a night, and hop a bus across the country for pennies. The beaches? Unbeatable. The culture? Next level. Now if you're craving Europe, don't sweat it. Head east. Think Hungary, Romania, or Bulgaria. Not only will you dodge crazy crowds, but you'll find medieval towns, epic castles, and hearty meals, all without breaking the bank. A train ride and a hearty bowl of goulash can set you back less than a coffee in Paris. For something a bit different, jump over to Central America. Nicaragua and Guatemala are packed with volcanoes, lakes, and colorful markets. Adventure activities like volcano boarding or kayaking are super affordable, and local buses make getting around cheap and easy. And if you want to go even further, places like Morocco and Turkey offer a mix of exotic vibes, incredible food, and low costs. Haggle in bazaars, sip endless tea, and crash in a riad or hostel for less than you'd spend on a night out at home. Bottom line, don't let a tight budget stop you from seeing the world. There are endless adventures waiting, and your money goes way further than you might think. Start small, dream big. The world's out there, go claim it. If you liked this content, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more travel tips, guides, and inspiration to fuel your next adventure. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and let us know in the comments where you want to explore next.